Why do samples from China cost so much bloody money? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you so you can see why they cost so much. And I'm also going to give you some tips on how you can reduce your costs to almost zero. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make more money, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more money-making information just like this. Also consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. With that being said, let's do it. Neil, why do samples from China cost so much money? They're bastards and they're clearly ripping me off. So your sample from China are expensive. Why are they so freaking expensive? You can expect to pay anywhere from $50 to $150 to get your sample from China. Why on earth is that? Why on earth is that? Well, there's actually a very, very simple reason for that. It's because you get charged the shipping rate to ship the product from via FedEx or DHL, typically from China to Australia. So let's just go through that. Let's just do China. And I'll show you what it costs. So let's do a postcode. Let's use one of my postcodes. I think it's 555. 464, I think that's right. And the origin city is Guangzhou. Here we go. All right, so shipping from Guangzhou to Australia. Destination postcode, let's send it to there. And then, so 1 kilo package. Let's do it 20 by 20 by 10, so not a huge package. So that is 392 renminbi. Okay, so let's just see what that is in good old Australian dollars. That's 86 bucks. Okay, so the reason your sample costs so much money to get is because your factory in China is shipping it over via courier, and courier costs are freaking high. So you might want to consider that. So the question then becomes, well, how can you save money by doing that? Well, if it were me, I would use somebody like sample checkers. So typically when you are getting samples, you will get, depending on what you're ordering, let's say typically it's going to be 3 samples, okay? And if you were to pay the shipping costs on each of those 3 samples to get them shipped from the factory to you in Australia, you'd be up for 250 bucks just in that cost, big chunk of cash. So instead, what you want to do is to get them sent to a sample consolidating service in China. Sample checkers are who we suggest you use. Shano's awesome. He's been on AOE heaps of times. He's a member of AOE, really, really great guy. You can trust him. He will then get your samples, and either he's in China, so you've got hardly any shipping cost, and then either he can consolidate the 3 samples into one and then send it to you, so thus saving you money in shipping charges, or he can take the samples and look at them for you. So then you don't have any of those shipping costs. You can do that on video with you, spending 30 minutes on the phone. He'll go through over the sample with you, show you all around it. And it's as good, I believe, as getting it sent over and much, much cheaper. So that's why they're so expensive for samples. And that's a great way of reducing the cost of that, okay? That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.